Google quietly released an AI video tool that nobody is talking about, and it's a monster. It's called Google Vids, and the fact that it's not being shouted from the rooftops is insane. Google Vids is an AI-powered video editor that builds entire videos for you, scripts, scenes, voiceovers, and visuals in one place. I made this entire video inside Google Vids. This is me building this exact video. This collapses the entire creator workflow into one app. Scripts, visuals, voiceovers, avatars, all in one place. The only real downside so far? Too few voices for the AI avatars. That matters for creators.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video. The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video.
Google owns YouTube, and now they own the entire video creation pipeline. This is one of the most important creator tools Google has ever shipped. And this is just the beginning of the evolution of tools for digital creators. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel for future breaking tech releases.